It's time for another video quiz from Access Learning Zone. Today's quiz is for developer level users. I'll ask you 5 questions, give you a few seconds to think about each one, then reveal the answer. Keep track of your score. We'll see how you did at the end. You ready? Here we go. Question 1. What does VBA stand for? Visual Basic for Applications, Virtual Business Access, Visual Database Automation, or Verified Basic Application? That's an easy one. That's A, Visual Basic for Applications. Number 2, which statement best describes Access VBA? It's a standalone programming environment that replaces Access. B, it's used to enhance and automate an Access database. C, it's the same thing as Microsoft Visual Studio. Or D, it is only used to create Access web apps. That's going to be B. It is code used to enhance and automate an Access database. Number 3, what's the biggest advantage VBA has over Access macros? A, VBA never requires Access to run. B, VBA is more powerful and flexible. C, VBA automatically avoids all security warnings. Or D, VBA is easier for complete beginners to design. And the answer is B, VBA is more powerful and flexible. Number 4, why might someone choose Access macros instead of VBA when distributing a database? Macros can be more portable when limited to safe macro commands. Macros can create standalone exe programs. Macros work only with SQL Server databases, or macros are shared automatically with every Office application. And the answer is A, macros can be more portable when limited to safe macro commands. And finally, what is one practical career benefit of learning Access VBA? It guarantees every company will replace SQL Server with Access. It can lead to support and consulting work for Access and Excel solutions. It eliminates the need to understand databases, or it's only useful for large enterprise-wide systems. And the answer is B. It can lead to support and consulting work for Access and Excel solutions. There's plenty of support and consulting work out there, folks. All right, so how'd you do? Did you get all 5 right? Are you an ascended ancient, or was the iris closed when you got back to base? If you missed any, these topics and a lot more are covered in my Microsoft Access Developer Level 1 Lesson 1 video. I'll put a link down below. Thanks for playing. Post your score in the comments, and until next time, live long and prosper, my friends.